You want to trade cryptocurrency, but are put off by the thought of complicated centralized exchanges? Worry no more. With Binance P2P, you now have more ways to buy and sell your crypto assets beyond the usual trading platform. What is Binance P2P? Binance P2P or peer-to-peer platform allows you to buy bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies with your local currency at zero fees. Yes, as in ZERO. On Binance P2P, you have the freedom to choose your preferred counterparties and payment methods for your trades, with the crypto assets escrowed by Binance. On Binance P2P, you can not just buy or sell crypto from the existing offers, but also create your trade advertisements to set your own prices. And unlike credit card or bank transfers, Binance P2P does not collect information about buyers and sellers to make a crypto fiat transaction. How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. Before we start, please make sure you've completed SMS authentication and identity verification. On your Binance app, click the P2P trading button to enter the P2P trading interface. You can also access the P2P trading from the P2P in the Wallet tab. Choose USDT on the Buy tab. Now, you can see the trade advertisement offered by users or merchants. You can filter the ad by entering the amount, fiat currency and payment method. Suppose you want to buy USDT equivalent 300 pesos through GCash. Then enter 300 in the amount column and select GCash as your preferred payment and click the Yes button. Choose the merchant where you want to buy. Enter 300 pesos and click Buy USDT. Then you will see the order details and the seller's payment information. Click Transfer the fund, and copy the payee information to make payment as instructed. Please double-check the payee information and complete the transaction in GCash within the time limit. Once the payment is made, click on Transferred Next, and then Confirm. And the status will be updated to releasing. Update the seller to release the crypto once the payment is confirmed. The transaction will be completed. You will find the cryptocurrencies in your P2P wallet, and you can now transfer it to your spot wallet to start trading crypto to crypto. How to sell cryptocurrency on Binance P2P. Before selling cryptocurrencies, you need to transfer your cryptocurrency from spot wallet to P2P wallet first. On your Binance app, click the Wallet tab to enter the P2P trading interface. Click Transfer and click the button to transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet. Choose USDT. Suppose you want to sell 7 USDT. Then enter 7 in the amount column and click Transfer. Select P2P trading, then select Sell and USDT. Now you can see the trade advertisement offered by users or merchants. Choose the merchant where you want to sell. Click Sell. Enter 7 USDT and click Sell USDT. You will then see the transaction details. Wait for buyer to transfer the fund within the time limit. After the buyer completes the payment, check if the payment was credited to your account. Release the fund once you confirm that you have received money from the buyer. Click Confirm Receipt and Confirm. You will receive an SMS verification code. Enter the code to finish the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, you will then find the cryptocurrencies in your P2P wallet, and you can now transfer it to your spot wallet to start trading crypto to crypto. How to send crypto to other Binance account using P2P. In Binance P2P, you can send the funds from your account to another Binance account with zero fee. Before sending cryptocurrencies, you need to transfer your cryptocurrency from Spot Wallet to P2P Wallet first. On your Binance app, click the Wallet tab to enter the P2P trading interface. Click Transfer and click the button to transfer crypto from Spot Wallet to P2P Wallet. Choose USDT. Suppose you want to transfer 1 USDT. Then enter 1 in the amount column and click Transfer. Click Cancel to return to the P2P interface. Now that you have your cryptocurrency on your P2P wallet, click Transfer and select Send button. Take note that when sending cryptocurrency, you will need the email address or the phone number of the recipient. You can also scan the QR code to directly send the crypto to other account. In this video, suppose you want to send the crypto through email address, then enter the email address of the receiving account and click Next. Choose USDT. Then enter the amount you want to send. You may enter a note to be sent together with your crypto and click Confirm. Check all the details and click Send Now. You will be prompted to verify your account through an SMS verification code. Enter the code to finish the transaction. Once the transaction is completed, the recipient will receive the crypto in seconds. To use P2P and Binance's many other crypto trading services, download the Binance app today.